Hi, I'm Luke, and today we'll be building and playing with this LEGO Duplo My First Construction set. First, let's make a dump truck. We start with the base, then we add that. We have to add this so that we can attach the dump part to the truck and have it move. Let's have a little person drive it, and we'll give him some bricks to haul around in the back. And there you have it, your very own dump truck. Next, let's make an excavator. We'll start with the base, then we'll add this brick, and then add this one to the front, this one to the back, and now we have to attach the scoop to this so that we can attach it and make an excavator. Let's have this little guy drive it, and we'll even give him a brick that he can raise and lower. For our last piece, we're going to have the construction builders build something. We'll start with our base. Then we'll add this, and this one next to it, and this one on the edge. We'll put the arch one on top of that, and this one to make it look like it's rounded. Then we'll add this to make it look like bricks and glass. And there you have it. Our construction workers have started making a house. Next, we'll build a crane. We'll start with this as the base, and this as the base of the crane. Then we start building. Brick by brick, we build it up until it's really high. Then we add this so the crane can move around. We'll put this here, and this on top of that to make the crane. We'll add something the crane can carry, and a top. And there you have it, your crane. Also, let's add a sign so people know what's going on here. There you go, and your crane and sign are finished. Now that everything's built, let's put it all together. We have the crane and the house, excavator, our dump truck, and a work cone. And there you have it. You've made your first construction site. Thanks for watching. Now, you can watch another one of my LEGO videos or one of my friends' videos. Our pictures are always in the corner like these 4 examples. And please, don't forget to subscribe.